7, I'm going to read this question. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. First, understand the figure. So what is given? The two concentric circle. Concentric means having the center should be equal. Center are same for the both circles. So let's assume that this is the circle. This is the circle with a different radius. So this is the concentric circle, means having the radius are different but center are same. This is the circle. It is given in the figure. So what is given? So here the radius of the bigger circle or the larger circle is equal to 5 centimeter, and the radius of the smaller circle, this capital R, is equal to 5 centimeter, and the small r is equal to 3 centimeter. We can write here 5 centimeter, capital R is equal to, and small r is equal to. Right. Now, what is given in the question? Circle of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So it means that this is your chord of the larger circle. This is the chord. I write that this is the chord of the larger circle. If you can see that this is the chord of the larger circle, but this chord touches the smaller circle at a point. This chord touches the smaller circle at a point. So what we need to find larger circle. Find the length of the chord. That length of the chord we need to find. So if you can see that if you join this center and this, so it become a triangle. We join the center. If we join center of the circle to this end point of the chord, it become a triangle. And if you can see the slide, so what is given here, if you can see that in the given figure, PQ is the chord of the larger circle, PQ is the chord. That length of the PQ we need to find it, which touches the smaller circle in point at point R. We given that the radius of the larger circle. Radius means that if you can see the figure, PO is equals to OQ, because this is the radius of the larger circle. I'm going to note it down here, even here, POQ. So this P, this is O, P, R, this is Q, and this point represent as the O, right? You can see on the slide also simultaneously. So PO is equals to OR, that is equals to 5 centimeter radii of the larger circle. Then radius of the smaller circle, that is QR, is equals to 3 centimeter. Already it is given. Then, as we know that PQ is the tangent to the smaller circle, and OR is perpendicular to PQ, because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. We know that if we draw this radius is perpendicular to this tangent. Means OR is perpendicular to PQ, which written here. Now, you can see that this form a two triangle OPR and triangle OQR. So you can see that this is the one triangle and this is the another triangle. This is the shaded region, one triangle, and this is the another triangle, right? So these two triangles are formed. Then we need to prove these two triangles. So we prove that by RHS congruency. We know that RH is hypotenuse, and then one side we can prove the RHS criteria, and then find the remaining value. That is the value of PQ. So this part easily you can calculate. Hope that this is clear for you. Yes.